Cubbies, it is Black China Bear. Welcome to my channel. If you're not subscribed, make sure you click that subscribe button, boo-boo. Otherwise, you're going to miss out on all the hair slayage, the makeup slayage, the outfit slayage. Make sure to subscribe. I'm here to talk to you guys about my braids, girl, my braids. Also, let me just point this out. If you guys are seeing a glare in my glasses, I'm so sorry. I didn't wear contacts today, and I can't see without my glasses or my contacts in, so, yeah. 30-inch braids, you guys. 30 inches on these girls. Let me swing for you, hey. So guys, these are the Freetress Shake and Go brand. These are the 2-time medium box braid. Like I said, they're 30 inches. I have the color T27. They come in 12 different colors. And these are the crochet braids. And I love them for so many reasons. Guys, the braids are beautiful. They are not unraveling. The color is beautiful. The ombre is perfection. Like I said, I have T27, and the 27 is actually throughout the whole braid. That's why it looks a little bit lighter. It's so freaking pretty. Like I said, they're not unraveling. I do get a little bit of itching. If you've ever worn braids, you know the hair itches a little bit. And it's not itching on my scalp. It's just itching where the hair is like rubbing up against my skin a lot. So it itches a little bit there, but it's not nothing like insane itchy, just a little bit of itching, you know. And I have in 2 packs of hair. You guys know I have thin hair. If you have thicker hair, you may need more. And then what I did as well is I did little individual braids, so that way I don't have to use so many packs of hair. And not only that, like when it comes to crocheting your hair, like honestly I recommend doing the cornrows and then crocheting the braids into your hair. I tend to do individuals. I suck at braiding my own hair, and I'm not about to go to the shop and have them touch my hair. Like, my hair is already thin. I don't want nobody else's hands in my hair anymore. I prefer how it looks when you do individual braids. And like I said, I'm not good at cornrowing. Honestly, to save myself time, if I could cornrow my hair, I probably would cornrow it and then crochet the hair in there. But I suck at cornrowing my own hair, and then I have some super duper long nails. I cannot braid with these nails. No, it's not gonna happen, boo-boo. When it comes to this hair, I do not have any complaints. Let that register for a minute. I know. Let that register. I have no complaints. The hair is gorgeous. The braids are perfection. It's just amazing. I'm so happy it comes in so many different colors. And not only that, guys, instead of sitting down for like 8 hours at the shop getting your hair braided, you can get your hair cornrowed and crocheted in probably like, what, 3 hours maybe? 2-3 hours. It all depends on how fast a person is at braiding. What I did with mine, like I said, I did individuals, and I took my braid. You can sort of see it on the top up here. But I took my hair and crocheted it into the braid. Like I said, it's really time consuming if you do it that way. I recommend just cornrowing your hair and crocheting it, but I just did it this way because like I said, I can't braid my own hair, boo-boo. But I just crocheted my hair into the braid, and it took a lot of time to do that. I'm not gonna lie, you guys, but this is the result. I really do like this hair, you guys. I highly recommend it. This is from samsbeauty.com. You guys know I love me some Sam's Beauty, boo. But this is from samsbeauty.com. I will link the hair down below in the description bar. Like I said, again, I have in 2 packs. Each pack comes with about 22 to 25 braids, somewhere in there. The hair is very inexpensive. This is a great hairstyle, especially if you're going back to school. I don't know if I would do 30 inches if you're going back to school, because if you're in school, I don't know if you should be having no 30 inches hair. But definitely a crochet hairstyle is great, and it lasts a long time. Anyways, guys, that's it for this video. I love you guys so very, very much. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up this video if you are watching, boo. But guys, leave me a comment down below. How do you feel about crochet braids? What color do you guys prefer in your hair? Like, leave me comments down below. Let's chit chat. Let's interact, boo boo. I love you guys so much. Until next time, stay fierce, stay fabulous. Black China Bear. Mwah! Bye.